Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syakirin bin Muhammad Zaraan. My matrix is 09DE 24F1025.
My name is Wafinofal bin Rikwan. I'm from DE1A. My matrix number 09DE24F1053.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faris Aziz bin Fahas and my number matrix is 09DE 24F1077.
Introduction. Oscilloscope. An oscilloscope is a device used to display and analyze electrical signals. It shows how a signal changes over time on a screen. The screen displays waveform which represent voltage changes. Oscilloscopes are useful for measuring frequency, amplitude, and other signal properties. This is how to calibrate using oscilloscope. Step to calibrate oscilloscope. First, BNC connector must be in channel 1. Touch the hook tip to the coil and crocodile clip to the ground. So, for the result, we get sine wave. We key in the voltage peak to peak, the frequency, and the square waveform in the function generator. We adjust the square waveform using horizontal position. So, for the result, we get square waveform. Safety precaution when using an oscilloscope. First, always ground the oscilloscope properly. Number 2, use probes with the correct voltage rating. Number 3, avoid directly measuring high voltage circuits. Number 4, turn off the oscilloscope before connecting or disconnecting probes. For the conclusion, an oscilloscope is an essential tool for observing electrical signals. By displaying waveforms, it allows for precise measurement and analysis of frequency, amplitude, and noise.